Hi, today we'll talk about the learning from the movie The Martian. The movie Martian is based on Andy Weir's book of the same name and tell the story of an astronaut who is accidentally left behind on Mars and the struggle of his for his survival. The movie is a pure survivalist tale that illustrates the power of a human perseverance and the collaboration to do brilliant innovative things. And it will sure make you feel proud to be a human earthling. The Martian, it leaves you feeling that nothing is really impossible or hopeless. Although faced with terrifying circumstances and being stranded hundreds of millions of miles away from any other living human, Watney reframed his situation and focused on solving the problem at hand one by one. And by doing so, he kept his sanity and ultimately his life. For Watney, the big question was how do he survive on Mars, which sounded like a completely impossible scenario. But Watney began breaking down the question into smaller, more solvable problems that he begins to work out one after the other. How do he grow enough food? How do he make water? How do he communicate with Earth? Innovation is the name of the game. For every challenge thrown at him, Watney is always finding new solution to overcome it. Whether it is creating menu from human waste and growing potato as food, creating water from hydrogen combustion, there will never be a perfect situation where you will have everything that you want. All that we need is a little bit of innovative thinking to figure out what else can we do with what we have. Doing more with less is the key to survive in your job and life. To live with the fact that he is going to die, to survive against all the odds. He accepts the challenge life throws at him with a smile. Life is a mix of several problems. You just keep doing the maths one after another, and if you solve enough problem, you get to go home. The struggle of protagonist to survive is incredible. His jail for life is not dead. He, against all odds, keeps trying. He never gives up. He never thought of it as the end. The main character, Watney, Mark Watney, is left behind on Mars due to an accident, but he does not blame the team for what happened to him. He instantly rationalizes their action and decides that he might have done the same thing under the circumstances. He saves himself a huge heartache and grief by forgiving them for what they did. This not only cleared his my head, but it also helped him focuses on what to do next to save his life. We all we are all so stuck in our past for what many people did to us, and we waste tremendous amount of creative force, time, and energy in ruminating about what happened to us. Thus, we lose golden opportunity to plan for future and create a better place for ourselves. Forgive and forget the past or people and move on. Better future awaits your creative force. Watney is supported by an amazing team both on Earth and in space. In many of his challenges, when they have to make a choice to go another 1.5 years in space to rescue him, they decide yes in a heartbeat. His team takes as much as risk he does in rescuing him. They blew up the last compartment to slow the ship down and jump into space to pull him out of his capsule. Nothing beats the energy, joy, feeling of fulfillment, and then working together as a team. Be a good team player and find ways to help each other. That is the best way to get things done. There is nothing to lose in trying. You may fail at times, but your failure are only going to teach you. They will make you a better person if you really want to know how sweet success is. You must know the taste of failure. It is important to acknowledge your hardship and work towards overcoming it. People often wonder, why me? I have finally found an answer because I can take it. Be your own hero. Be an inspiration to yourself. Check out the implications of your problem and follow the thread to find where the loophole is. There is always a loophole. Exploit it and be your own master. Thank you.